Are you ready? Quran, jump on the alphabet B. Faryal, jump on the alphabet C. C. Sultan, jump on the alphabet I. Aisha, jump on the alphabet G. Hussein, jump on the alphabet H. H. Jump on the alphabet D. Abdurrahman. Huzaifa, jump on the alphabet E. Abdullah, jump on the alphabet F. Ishal, jump on the alphabet A.